Yo, what's up everyone? It's Joseph Magogo, and we're diving headfirst into the world of AI. We're talking robots building stuff, art practically painting itself, and cities that never sleep, all powered by artificial intelligence. This tech is evolving faster than ever, and the ability to understand and use it, that's the real superpower. So consider this your crash course, your AI boot camp, because we're breaking down the barriers, getting you up to speed, and showing you how to unlock the potential of AI. Let's get started. This isn't just a tutorial, it's your gateway to the future. Alright, let's talk about skills. You know, the things you put on your resume, the things that make you, you. Coding, design, marketing, these are all evolving, and AI is at the forefront of that evolution. But here's the thing, AI isn't here to replace your skills, it's here to amplify them. It's like the ultimate upgrade. Think of it this way, you wouldn't use a flip phone in 2023, right? You'd want a smartphone with all the latest apps and features. AI is like that upgrade for your skill set. It's about working smarter, not harder. So whether you're a coder who wants to write cleaner code faster, a marketer who wants to target the right audience with laser precision, or a designer looking to push creative boundaries, AI is the key. It's about taking what you're already good at and making it exponentially better. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech genius to get started. Just like you don't need to be a software engineer to use a smartphone, you don't need to be a data scientist to harness the power of AI. There are tons of tools and resources available that make AI accessible to everyone. So, are you ready to become an AI powerhouse? Let's do this. Okay, so we've established that AI is the future, but what exactly are we dealing with here? At the heart of it all are AI models, these complex algorithms trained on mountains of data. They're like the brains of the operation, but they don't speak our language. Not literally anyway. Let's break it down. First up, tokenization. Imagine an AI trying to read a book. It doesn't see sentences and paragraphs like we do. It sees tokens, individual pieces of words or even whole words. That's how it processes language, one token at a time. Then there's the context window. This is like the AI's short-term memory. It can only hold so much information at once. Try giving it a novel's worth of text, and it might forget what happened in the first chapter. And finally, we have the models themselves. You've got ChatGPT from OpenAI, Bard from Google, Llama from Meta. It's like a battle of the AI titans. Each one has its own strengths and weaknesses, its own quirks and personalities. Understanding these differences is key to picking the right tool for the job. Think about learning to drive. Remember stalling the car, mixing up the gas and the brake? It felt overwhelming at first, but with practice, it became second nature. AI is the same way. The key is to start exploring, experimenting, and getting comfortable with the basics. Master those, and you'll be well on your way to becoming an AI whisperer. Alright, now that we've got a handle on AI models, let's talk about the tools themselves. These are the applications, the software, the interfaces that make AI accessible and, dare I say, fun to use. First up, we've got Perplexity, your new AI-powered search engine. Forget scrolling through pages of irrelevant results. Perplexity cuts to the chase, delivering concise, accurate answers to your questions. It's like having a research assistant on speed dial. Then there's Deep Research, which takes internet searches to a whole new level. Imagine combining the vast knowledge of the internet with AI's analytical capabilities. That's deep research. It's like having a super-powered research team at your fingertips, uncovering insights and connections you wouldn't believe. But wait, there's more. We've also got wrappers, applications built on top of existing AI models, designed for specific tasks. Think of them like specialized tools in a toolkit. Take Cursor, for example. This AI-powered code editor is a game-changer for developers, streamlining workflows and boosting productivity. It's like having an AI pair programmer by your side. And for the writers out there, there's Cortex, which integrates AI seamlessly into your note-taking and writing process. It's like having an AI co-author, helping you craft compelling narratives and generate fresh ideas. The key is to stay curious, keep exploring, and find the tools that best fit your needs and workflow. They have the potential to revolutionize the way we work, learn, and create. Chapter 4. Now let's talk about the art of talking to AI. You see, it's not enough to just throw any old prompt at these models and expect magic. It's about crafting your inputs with precision and purpose. That's where prompt engineering comes in. Think of it like this. You wouldn't walk into a Michelin star restaurant and just say, "Give me food." You'd be specific. You describe your tastes, your preferences, your dietary restrictions. Prompt engineering is the same way. One powerful technique is role assignment. Tell the AI to act as a specific persona. Need marketing copy? Ask it to be Don Draper. Need code debug? Ask it to be your trusty senior developer. Then there's contextual clarity. Don't leave the AI guessing. Provide clear, detailed information. The more context you give it, the better it can understand your needs and deliver relevant results. And finally, embrace iterative refinement. Think of it like a conversation. You don't just fire off one message and call it a day. You go back and forth, clarifying, refining, and building upon each other's ideas. Mastering prompt engineering is like learning a new language, the language of AI. It's about understanding how to communicate effectively with these models to unlock their full potential. But here's the thing, it's not as daunting as it sounds. With practice and experimentation, you'll start to develop an intuition for what works and what doesn't. Start by experimenting with different prompts, different phrasings, and different levels of detail. Chapter 5. Okay, we've covered the what and the how of AI. Now let's talk about the why. What can you actually do with this technology? The answer, my friends, is pretty much anything you can imagine. Let's start with content creation. AI can help you generate engaging social media posts, write compelling articles, even script YouTube videos, wink wink. It can adapt to different voices and styles, making your content pop. But it's not just about creating more content, it's about creating better content. AI can analyze data, identify trends, and tailor content to specific audiences, making it more relevant and engaging. Then there's personalization. Imagine sending out marketing emails that are tailored to each individual recipient, addressing their specific needs and interests. AI can make that happen, creating a more personalized and impactful customer experience. But it doesn't stop there. AI is also transforming industries from healthcare to finance, from manufacturing to education. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier, assisting financial analysts in making smarter investments, and even personalizing learning experiences for students. We're talking about real-world applications that are changing the game. The possibilities are limitless. Chapter 6. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the inner workings of AI models to the incredible tools and applications that are shaping the future. But here's the thing. AI isn't just about technology, it's about people. It's about empowering individuals like you to unlock their full potential, to achieve things they never thought possible. It's about using technology to augment our abilities, to enhance our creativity, and to solve problems that have plagued us for generations. The future isn't something that just happens to us, it's something we create. And with AI as our ally, the possibilities are endless. So what's next? It's time to take action. Start exploring, experimenting, and learning. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, to ask questions, and to push the boundaries of what's possible. So that's it, your crash course into the world of AI. Remember, this is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you start experimenting, pushing boundaries, and making AI your own. The world of AI is vast and constantly evolving, and the journey is just beginning. So, what are you waiting for? Your AI adventure starts now. Ready to take the next step? Dive deeper, experiment, and don't be afraid to innovate.